Thrina Suchen of Lama village in East Jayanta Hills district of Meghalaya was socially ostracized by the village authorities for filing an RTI relating to implementation of schemes under the MGNREGS. On the 28th of December 2020, the Darbar of Lama village, without calling Thrina Suchen to the Darbar to explain her position for filing the RTI, unilaterally fined her with an amount of Rs 5,000 for filing the RTI. Thrina Suchen was penalized because she went to remind the BDO of the fate of her RTI with a copy to the Deputy Commissioner of East Jayanta Hills District. When she did not respond to the Darbar's decision, Thrina was socially ostracized, in which the villagers have banned to have any kind of connection with her, including purchasing of goods from her shop. In her efforts to find out the irregularities of the implementation of the MGNREGS, Thrina Suchen has found out that a cash memo submitted by the Village Employment Committee was a fake one, as there was no shop in the village to sell the construction materials. She has also found out the numerous fake signatures of 100 days workers engaged in the central scheme. According to her findings, the construction of the cemented road in the village was sanctioned to the tune of Rs 10,49,800 for the year 2018 to 2019. The amount released for wages was Rs 6,29,880 and the amount released for purchase of materials was 1,59,082, leading to the missing of Rs 2,25,720. Another findings of hers in the RTI was that the scheme of betel nut plantation money was found missing to the tune of Rs 1,59,082. The scheme of orange plantation amounting to Rs 75,735 was found missing, and the pineapple plantation scheme of Rs 3,37,962 was also found missing, where the villagers had to purchase.
Ngam don ngalai bu school pun anda ngapoi ta ita ikun jonga iya thu ba kasnong kalarai bayanga haying jongi baro siying ba hama po kasnong baro kim long shu ban dik tiar hadukan jonga kim dei shu ban dik kai siying jonga nakata kadau ki ong anai lei anai mi shu nakata kadau ta ki paj ba baro ke nong song snong kim nut chu ban sedukan jonga ban thetiar kim nut chu ban wan changa ban likai nang ta itai kun jonga ila record da ke mobile nang ta record ngayo sngiu aga jing hala jongki ha ka dorbar snong tanga ani ka jing le bing yenga hadu kata mo ngawat ya ka jing ba ndrei ki ban ki le yenga da kum ne mo to ngam sngiu nang ta tanga lik bukot cha audisi ha ka arteri Bandang alik bukot audisi, nadu banga bukot audisi uang tangan Pak Magistri, nadu kekandai tarik uang, Klemwan Magistri, ngalik mi cawmu audisi te uang, ngalai de Pak cawu Magistri, nyami hau Magistri pat uang kumne, uang ngaklem yok kot na audisi kumnu nganlen, tengi irung lang ha audisi ngaya keren tenang ta audisi uang pej, ajan day Christmas, ajan day New Year tengah yin sepak no haka. Santarik mentau nai nongkong undap New Year tengah singo ong to amlele te kumnungan le ta kan ni ka Christmas pan kia bam khawai nyalik kren ulong jonga ulik kren ha ong to men basan ong kumnu mo ya ka jing khawai jong ka Christmas yangi pisha ne man bam phim sha ne to ong da phi bam ru long la da phim bam ru compare nang tapat ha ka sngi arphon ru tarik nang step kilit tho ya ka notice ban bat kan nungut siying kan nungut kirang ba kan nungut ki khna hangi pat ki klem ban nang ta ki klem yo ban hawai ya kata ka Christmas ha ka arpon rotri kim ngim don shu ya kata ka jing ya hawai lang bat ki ta nya yo i ba ka jing le ni nyo ben jong ki ya nga ko besar khe namar ba ka kam snong le ka kam snong ya ka kam balang lik kam balang hendrei pemban ki pelong bek kam balang ro kumju bat kam snong ro kumju agata kadau ngas ngau si nya ni kam snong jongi kam sngiu thu ya ka kam snong kumno ya ka kam balang kumno pentelung dang bat bek ha ka kam snong ya ka kam balang ro kumju